I am Husnina binti Fazal from F4T16. Okay, so today I will be teaching all of you how to use Microsoft Word to do maths. Okay, so this is some new experience, so here we go.
Burning toast on the toaster. My ambitions were too high. Waiting up for you up.
Today I'm going to use Microsoft Word app to do some mathematics equation. So this video is specifically to help our math instructor and teachers out there who are having difficulty to create an exam papers for their students, because they might need to use programs like ExamView because of the limited number of exam questions available. And of course, the teachers and the instructor just want to write a quick quiz on the paper without having to use all the extra software. Okay, so as you can see here, I've write my equation. There are 4 questions here for the example case. For the number 1, so you can create the insert. On the insert, you can find the pages, table, and the last one is the symbol. Symbol is the one we're going to use today to do our math equation. Okay, so create the equation. As you create the equation, you can see structure, symbol, conversion, and anything related to the method mathematics. Okay, so today for the number 1, given the sign hx. Okay, so we can find the sign hx symbol on the function. As you can see in the function, you can find trigonometric function, inverse function, and so on. Okay, so find symbol that related to your question. Okay, so for me, I choose this. Okay, for the x one, you can just simply put x on your keyboard, or maybe you want to use symbol x like this. Okay, put equal. Okay, for the fraction, you can find at the equation, you can click the fraction. There are 4 types of fraction here. You can click wherever you want. For me, I choose this. Okay, so I just simply put 1/2. Okay, and then the bracket. Okay, you can just type the bracket on your keyboard. Okay, as you hear, e to the power of x. So this the script where you can find the equation that you can put power. So I just click this and I put e to the power of x. Okay, so minus. So the next one is e to the power of negative x. Okay, it's just the same. Just click, okay, just put e to the power of, just add negative x. Okay, and bracket. Okay, so our first equation is done. Okay, for the second one, the dy dx equal to cos hx. Okay, this is same. You can just find it at the equation and you click the fraction one. You can see the common fraction and dy dx, click here. Okay, you can see the dy dx. So you can just put equal and cos hx, you can find it at function, just like before. Okay, x. Okay, our second equation is done. Okay, so the next one. I'm gonna use the Microsoft Word to do integral question. Okay, so determine if the following integral is converged or diverged. Okay, I have 3 example of question here. Okay, for the number 1, you can see the integral sign. You can find it at the equation and you can choose integral. Okay, sorry for the font size. Okay, so integral. Okay, it depends on the question whether it want the integral with limits or integral with stacked limit. So for me, I choose integral with limit. So just put your, okay, the infinity sign, you can find it at here, symbol. You can just click it here. Okay, so another one is 1. Okay, here you can choose the fraction here. So just simply put 7 cos to the power of 2 here. Here you put, okay, you can choose this one because it has power. So you just cancel the -1 power. And replace it with 2. Okay, so okay. Then you put x. You can put x. Okay. For the below one, 3 plus x squared. You can just put 3 plus x differential. Okay, let's see. X squared. Okay, done. Okay, so for the number 3, we're gonna use log. Okay, usually just like before, you can just insert equation and choose log. Okay. Okay, this one is just simple. You can just choose log base 2. And then you can just put x and plus another log 2. Okay, you can put bracket here, x minus 7. Okay, and then you can just put equal and you put 3. That's all. It's so easy, right? Okay, so easier your work, as you can see. So that's all for me. If you use Microsoft Word to do math, it will take